Hello students, I am Arun Pandey. I am going to discuss class 9 subject biology chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is the fundamental unit of life cell. This is the name of the chapter. Once again try to understand the name of the chapter, the fundamental unit of life cell. But inside the chapter we are going to discuss with you hypotonic solution, isotonic solution and hypertonic solution. Isotonic solution, hypotonic solution and hypertonic solution. So first of all, hypotonic solution. So hypotonic solution, what is and what about it? So if the cell, what things? If the cell will be kept inside the solution, then there is other situation will be formed. So living cells tend to gain or lose water from the surrounding environment through osmosis. Living cells gain or lose water. Living cells also gain and living cells also lose water from their surrounding by the process of osmosis. So when we put an animal cell or plant cell, when we put an animal cell or plant cell into the sugar solution or salt solution, when we put animal cell or plant cell into sugar solution or plant solution, so there is many situation. So one is, if the medium surrounding of the cell has a higher concentration, if the medium surrounding that means sugar solution or salt solution, this is medium surrounding. The medium surrounding the cell has a higher concentration of water than the cell, which means that the outside solution is very dilute. The cell will gain, or by osmosis, such a solution is called hypotonic solution. So once again try to understand hypotonic solution. If the medium surrounding of the cell, that means surrounding medium of the cell has a higher concentration of water, then the cell, which means outside, it means inner surrounding has water, higher concentration of molecules than outer surrounding, then the solution is called hypotonic solution. During hypotonic solution, that means in hypotonic solution, water molecules are free to pass across the cell membrane. Water molecules are free to pass across the cell membrane, then in both directions. However, more water will enter the cell than leaves. That means more water enter inside the cell then leaves the water from inside the cell. Then after that, due to this, water flows into the cell causing it swell. That means in the situation of hypotonic solution, cell will be swell up. Then as a result, the excessive swollen cells burst or get hemolyzed. In case of plants, swollen cells are called turgid cells. Then what are turgid cells? Swollen cells are called turgid cells. Due to swelling, a turgid pressure develops and entry of water into the plant cells and restricted. That means in the case of turgid cell, entry of any water molecules is restricted. That means there is no entry of water molecules in case of turgid cells. So, my second topic, isotonic solution. In isotonic solution, if the medium surrounding the cells has exactly the same water concentration as the cell, that means inside and outside both concentration are equalized, both concentration are equals, then what happens? Then there will be no net movement of water across the cell membrane, and this solution is called isotonic solution. That means isotonic solution is a type of solution in which inner membrane inside of the cell and outside of the cell has equal concentration of the water solutes, that means water molecules. This is called isotonic solution. So after that, in isotonic solution, water crosses the cell membrane in both directions. In isotonic solution, water crosses the cell membrane. ऐसा होता है